If you're wondering how to renew your Michigan driver license, there are a few easy ways to do it depending on your situation. You can renew online, by mail, at a self-service station, or in person if needed. First, if you're eligible for online renewal, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the official website, enter your license or ID number and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Then, just pay the fee using a card or bank account. It's quick, but make sure you meet the requirements before starting. If you're doing it by mail, you'll need the renewal notice they sent you, the return envelope, and a check or money order made out to the state of Michigan. If you've lost the envelope, you can still send it to the address listed on your renewal notice. Self-service stations are another option. Just bring your license or renewal notice and know your Social Security's last 4 digits. You can pay using a card or cash at certain locations. There's a $4.25 fee for each transaction, but it's still a convenient option. In most cases, you only have to go in person every 12 years to update your photo. But if you're not eligible to renew using the other methods, then you'll need to visit a Secretary of State office. Bring your license or ID and payment. During the visit, they'll check your vision and take a new photo. That's it.